Mercedes-Benz
W205-W253-GLC
Virtual Digital LCD Instrument applicable.
Models C-Class W205 Chassis, GLC Class W253 Chassis, GT Class W190 Chassis.
Product description. This LCD meter is suitable for changing old models to new ones, changing from low-end mechanical pointer maps to high-end virtual digital LCD meters support regional models around the world. For example, the distance in the United States is in miles. The temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit. The distance in China is in kilometers. The temperature is in degrees Celsius, etc. This can be changed through original factory programming. So brothers in other parts of the world, no need to worry. For example,
W205 2015 year-2018 year
needs to install decoder to realize the perfect original communication protocol, and the audio host can be replaced together to realize the new instrument audio entertainment system.
Beginning in 2019 year,
Low-end mechanical instruments can be realized by directly replacing the LCD instrument. This year does not need to install any decoder to achieve the same reason as W205 and W190. The specific applicable model here, please contact us for details. We will provide you with a most perfect solution. Free consultation. Product features. Support start-up screen. The driven screen style. Super Sport style. Race mode AMG. Head-up display HUD. Product condition. Genuine parts 0 kilometers. The LCD screen of the LCD instrument has no scratches, and the screen LCD protective film is all there without any maintenance.